Hey, this is Jessica with Food Foundation, and I have a holiday cocktail for you. Super fun, super easy, and we call it the Naughty Elf. My husband threw this really fun cocktail together for the holidays. Just 2 ingredients. All you need is eggnog. We made a few of these last night to make sure they were going to be tasty, so I don't have a ton left. But this is lovely. It's an organic eggnog. It's going to be organic milk, eggs, some nutmeg. Spices are incredibly healthy for your system, so if you can get them, always add them into your drink. And the lovely thing about adding eggnog to your cocktail is you don't want to drink on an empty stomach, because sometimes that can make you feel a little woozy or lightheaded. But this will be like having a meal with your cocktail. The second ingredient is rum, and I found this really fun, small batch, locally made Humboldt Distillery spiced rum, which is going to be amazing with the spiced eggnog. Okay, just 2 ingredients, super easy. You could start by heating up the eggnog if you wanted to make this a warm cocktail, or you can start on the rocks. I'm going to fill this glass full of ice. Then 1 shot of rum. For me, that's typically a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a steady stream. Okay. Next, you're going to add the eggnog. Now, if you watch the glass, the alcohol will start to float to the top because the milk and the eggs and the eggnog are quite heavy. So if you taste this right away, it's going to be really strong. You're going to want to give it a stir, or if you wanted to make it really fancy, maybe you could serve it with a cinnamon stick. If I was having guests, I might heat it up, add a little whipped cream, maybe some cocoa powder or nutmeg on top, and serve it with a cinnamon stick, stir stick. But who's having guests this holiday? So cheers! Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this cocktail for your healthier happy hour. If you like this video, check out my other healthier happy hour series, and hit subscribe so that you get more videos just like it. Thanks for watching! Or I'm going to do it on the rocks, just a bunch of ice. Should I do that again?
Yeah, you should do that again.